As a singer, I learned the importance of this very basic health practice. And because of that, I also learned and believe strongly that no one should ever leave the house without this one object in their possession. Now, that health practice is called hydration, and that object is called a reusable water bottle. Now, I know for many of us, it's not going to come as a surprise that we need to be drinking water. You might say to yourself, yeah, I know I need to be drinking water. I know I need to be drinking more water even. But for singers, this is even more important, and we really recognize, I think, the necessity for staying up on the practice of hydration specifically. Now, there are so many benefits of hydration and drinking more water for the body. Drinking more water helps to regulate body temperature. It helps to prevent infections. It helps to deliver nutrients to the cells. It helps to keep your organs functioning properly. It helps to improve your cognition. It helps to improve your mood. It helps to improve your sleep quality. So many areas of our lives that we don't even recognize until it's too late. Now, how much water should you actually be drinking in order to stay properly hydrated? Well, most experts agree that the number is somewhere between 1/3 and 1/2 of your body weight in ounces of water. So, for example, if you're 150 pounds, let's say, that means each and every day you should be drinking somewhere between 50 and 75 ounces of water. Now, your average cup is about 8 ounces of water. That means you should be drinking 8-ounce cups of water. That's like carrying around 8 plastic water bottles, or if they're the bigger 16-ounce water bottles, that's like carrying around 4 of those each and every day and drinking every one of them. Now, it's so much easier and so much better, in my opinion, to just take one reusable water bottle, like a Nalgene, let's say, and those are about 1,000 milliliters, most of them are. Drink 2 of those and you're done for the entire day. And this number of ounces that you need each and every day goes up with multiple factors, with things like exercise, if you're taking any medications related to, like, let's say, allergies or other health conditions, if you drink any caffeine. Personally, I drink about a pot of coffee in the morning, and so I need a little bit extra water just to counteract the effects of things like that. Now, the reason why this is more important for singers is because the larynx, your voice box, is one of the very last things that gets hydrated by the body. The body prioritizes the things that are going to help you fight and the things that are going to help you flee from a fight. So things like your muscles and your arms and your legs, things like your eyes and your brain that help you think and see. The voice is one of the last things that gets hydrated because it doesn't help you in a fight whatsoever, and your body doesn't think it's important. According to research done by the Canadian government, it can take up to 36 hours for your body to be fully rehydrated. So what this means is, if you're behind on your hydration, it might take you several days to get back up to fully hydrated status. Also, as a side note to singers, this means you should never ever be chugging a bottle of water like 5 minutes before you go on for a performance. I remember seeing several of my classmates do this when I was in college and high school, and I just remember thinking, yeah, that's going to run through you, but it's not necessarily going to help your voice very much. Not right while you're on stage, for sure. Anyway, this is why I believe that no one should ever leave the house without a reusable water bottle. Just 2 Nalgenes will be all you'll need for the entire day, and that's way easier than lugging around all these water bottles all day. I find that when I am fully hydrated, I think better, I feel better, I perform better, and I believe that you will too. If you're a singer or a non-singer, everyone can benefit from drinking more water and staying fully hydrated. Now, there's one more thing that you need to be performance ready that you need to be thinking about, and I cover that in this next video. It will get you fully prepared to perform to the highest levels. So we'll see you in the next one.